Welcome back, everyone. We want to update you on some breaking news that we're following out of Kansas City. A water main break at 75th in Charlotte.
In these temperatures. Our Marcel Clark was there at the scene, has the details now on what that damage looks like.
Gina, Caroline, we just got to the scene of a water main break here at the intersection of 75th and Charlotte. And check this out. You can see that the water is rising more than about a foot. You can't even see the sidewalk here in this neighborhood, and police have been blocking off this intersection for a while. You can see several blocks of 75th Street are blocked off because of this water main break. But if you follow me over here, we do have some neighbors that are watching this all unfold, and they say this is not the first water main break they've experienced here. So we'll start off with Doug. You live in this home, so I apologize for all of this. Tell me a little bit about the issue that you saw this morning.
Yeah, so I was getting ready for work. Checked outside to see how much snow accumulation there was. No problem. And then was warming up the car, and around 8 o'clock heard a noise. Started to back out of there and looked out and saw there was a river from the house. So
just terrible. And you were telling me that you couldn't even leave the house because you drive a small car.
Yeah, no, I drive a Mazda 3 and really wasn't wanting to go water slicking anywhere. So yeah. Yeah.
And Chris, you live right next door. Tell me a little bit about what you experienced.
I'm right here next door. I just woke up, and like he said, I came out to check the snow accumulation to make sure that if I wanted to get out today that I'd be able to. And we got the Nile going on out here. So yeah, I came out to talk to him, and we've had an issue with there's a giant hole at the end of his driveway they've been working on. It's usually been covered, and like he said, we'll just come out and here we are, submerged.
No plans today then, right?
No, fortunately, I do not have to get out today. Okay. So count my blessings.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time. And of course, we're going to be here monitoring this water main break, and we'll bring you any updates online and throughout our newscast. Back to you.
A mess. It's like a river through there.
And they have smiles on their face, so good that their spirits are up. But once that water stops flowing, that is going to be disastrous.
Yeah, an ice rink, basically, right? You got to make the best of it, I guess. What choice do you have?